All right, we made it to Wildfire Gorge. What's going on over here? This will eventually be houses someday on the other side. It's a corner house in a little cul-de-sac. Gated community. Just came on the market today. We got diagonal tile, little room down here. Living room. Kitchen's good. Backyard is nice. It's got a covered patio. Decent sized lot. You can smell a dog in here. Yeah, pretty strong dog smell. We do have a half bath downstairs. Garage. Laundry room, good size downstairs. Living room's a little on the small side. Man. And you could put the dining room here or over here, but it's, what's the square footage on this? Like 2,600, right? 2,200? Okay. Yeah, I got a feeling with that dining room, that 2,200 square foot is just not going to work. The sides, it needs painting. So we've got the master up here, good size. Carpet's okay. Double vanity, good size closet. Shower only. You got a balcony out here. Community's great. I'll give it that. What's the price on this guy?
$524,900.
Okay, we do have an okay size loft. We got bedroom 2, hall bath, bedroom 3, and bedroom 4. So I'm going to go out on a limb here. It's 2,200 something square foot. Upstairs works, downstairs does not. Do you agree? I think we just have to be above 2,300 square foot. I know the location was good. That's why I jumped on it and wanted to show it to you as quickly as possible. But even if you put the dining room table here, the living room's still a little small. I didn't touch anything. Can you come down here for a reference, Mickey? Come down here for reference. Yeah, so she's at one end, I'm at the other. That's the length of the living room. So yeah, so yeah, there's just not a whole lot of space downstairs. Location, like I said, was great. Oh, and shutters went under contract already. They got a buyer for it already, so we can't see that one. So that leaves the ones upstairs, up north. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.